GM, today is Friday, December 20th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. And big news today, bull market is over. Sell everything. McDonald's पे जाकर जॉब ढूंढो, flip the burgers, wash the cars आपके skill set के मुताबिक and see you guys back in 2028. Funny, isn't it? Just kidding. Bull market is not over. But I understand it feels like it is over. सबका sentiment बहुत bad है. Everyone I know is in very bad sentiment. Not my professional investor fellas, but the unprofessionals one. जिन्होंने खुद के systems develop नहीं किए. If you have your own systems, you are protected by all of this. And this is where you develop your systems. This is my masterclass. यहाँ पे I will transform you from a gambler to a professional. So आपको ये feelings नहीं आएगी कि oh is it all over, oh is it bullish, oh what should I do, मैं क्या buy करूँ, क्या sell करूँ, किस asset में अपने capital को rotate करूँ. Every single thing we develop the systems जो कि हमारे लिए हमारे trading decisions लेते हैं. Here you will get to know about everything जो कि सोशल मीडिया या फिर यूट्यूब पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. ऑल द रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स अबाउट ऑल द टॉपिक्स जिसमें मैंने थ्रूली हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन की है एंड देन आई गाइड यू एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द वे टू मेक यू एन इंडिपेंडेंट इन्वेस्टर so you can make your own decisions for the whole life. And moreover, जितनी देर आप लर्न कर रहे हो उसके बिटवीन आई प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द सिग्नल्स. आई टेल यू व्हाट आई एम बाइंग एंड हाउ आई एम डूइंग वट एवर आई एम डूइंग. So join the masterclass if you want to crush this bull market. So now the thing is, sentiment is so bad because a lot of people, they missed out on this rally, right? They missed out इस पूरे एरिया को. Then they bought their bitcoin या फिर alt coins, क्योंकि आप में से कोई bitcoin तो होल्ड करता ही नहीं है. Because you are psyoped into believing कि altcoins are going to make you money. अब देख रहे हो इनका क्या हाल हो रहा है. While Bitcoin is still way above its breakout point and previous all-time high, and all the altcoins, let's look at some random altcoin back into its जो भी नियर होल्ड कर रहा था या बाय कर रहा था, दे आर बैक एट 24 जून. जो भी बॉन्क होल्ड कर रहा था, दे आर बैक टू दिस एरिया. everything is back. Everything is crushed. Absolutely crushed. Nothing is going to make back above its previous highs ever again. और ये मैंने अपनी कल वाली वीडियो में बताया था. So go watch my video yesterday जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि why it is all about Bitcoin and your altcoins are gonna get crushed and there is nothing that can save them. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So Bitcoin is still way above. Nothing is over. And I want to cover one thing very quick. So this is my analysis video from last Friday, 6 days ago. So इसमें मैंने क्या कहा था? Do not open any leverage positions क्योंकि mark my words, अगर Bitcoin यहाँ से straight up move करे in somewhere this direction in 109 area, it is probably going to move down and wreck everyone up and then move further. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I told you यहाँ पे कि अगर बिटकॉइन 109 पे गया इस एरिया के अराउंड, तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू पुल बैक टू 90K एरिया एंड या दैट इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड. सो आई एम नॉट गोना ब्रैग अबाउट इट. द थिंग इज़ कि ये मुझे जादू से नहीं था पता चला. आई गॉट टू नो इट बिकॉज ऑफ द डाटा, बिकॉज ऑफ माई व्हाट आई लुक एट, बिकॉज आई हैव लर्नड दिस. मैंने ये सीख है, मेहनत करके सीख है. आई डोंट हैव अ क्रिस्टल बॉल कि ये मेरे स्क्विगल को फॉलो कर ले इस तरीके से. Now, this is why we're gonna move straight into the data to see what do we have next. So, first thing, Andreas Sterno Larson. If you don't know him, he is CEO of 42 Macro. So he tweeted yesterday, where is it? Yeah, I tend to think we will make new all-time highs in January as liquidity is the main driver of the market और liquidity पे market depend करती है and you can see liquidity is still oscillating as the TGA balance to a year general account balance of US is oscillating around and you can see here कि मैंने यहाँ पे ये चीज़ highlight की थी. This I drew here that liquidity reduction going into the holiday season and uske baad we are going to have a TGA rundown which is going to compel liquidity injections और हमारी prices next leg में जाएगी और ये मैं बहुत दिनों से cover कर रहा हूँ कि expect liquidity to reduce by the end of this month क्योंकि it is holiday season and there are going to be no inflows. So हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं with Andreas Sterno-Larson's post. So he says he believes we're gonna move again up in January, जो कि हम again 2 weeks से मैं खुद यही कह रहा हूँ कि we're gonna move again up in January because of the TGA rundown and we don't have any liquidity, so it is over for now. And then so Professor Adam, he asked him that yeah, actually usse pehle, because Andreas here, he said to Mark Pete, TGA will deliver billions daily from now. He said now. So Professor Adam, he asked him, Andreas Majid, did you say from now? I thought the TGA wasn't due to run down until the debt ceiling was hit in late January. So Andreas replied, debt ceiling is just after New Year's. Okay, so just after New Year's. Yep, December 1st January. Let's move it a couple of days further. Oops. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, here is our TGA rundown according to Andreas Sterno-Larson. But now यही हम expect करें कि next leg में जाने के लिए हमें ये चाहिए, the debt ceiling to get hit and TGA rundown and liquidity injections. So इसके लिए we have covered what Andreas has to say. He is a macroeconomical researcher. Now we're gonna see what do we have from Michael Howell from oh no, not Michael Howell. Actually, this is from 42 Macro as well. I thought it was from Michael Howell. Okay, so executive summary. Today key macro question. This is gonna be interesting, by the way. So stick around. Does the Fed still have asymmetrical dovish reaction? US liquidity is still on track to be supported by $708 billion dollars of TGA spend on early next year. So not gonna read through everything, but okay, as we stressed in our December 2024 the macro past couple of months, the ADR market regime as a high probability outcome starting no longer than mid 2025. Okay, if you have learned anything from our management yeah, as they do help them maximizing upside captured in the bull market, lost in the fray of yesterday FOMC inspired Bluetooth bloodbath was a significant development regarding the sequence of President Trump policy agenda, specifically his decision to use his dominance of the Republican Party to influence the earlier debt ceiling vote or scrapping the debt ceiling altogether, risk nullifying the potential $700-800 billion of TGA spend down. We currently still anticipate through the first 3 to 4 months of 2025. Nullification is expectedly bearish in the context of a too strong dollar. US dollar that further tightens financial. Okay, so he's talking about Trump के remarks about the debt ceiling to get hit. He has potentially delayed it, जो कि हमारे TGA spend down में delay लेकर आ सकता है for a couple of months. Okay, so Trump की inauguration के couple of months तक they are not going to be focusing on hitting the debt ceiling, and this is what is concerning right now. This means that the chop is likely to go longer than expected. As you can see, Ethereum, as you can see, Solana. Look at the higher time frame view, look at Doge, look at the other things. If we look at total 2, total 3, all of this is so badly beaten down, it is going to take long time to recover. So this is not going to recover anytime soon, and this is what aligns with, let me get my brush. This is what aligns, let's see, January, February. So if we go to, let's say, February, March, and this is what you can, like, you can expect anything to chop around in this area before we move up. The thing is, ये मैंने जो draw किया, I'm not saying it is going to follow my squiggle, but I'm saying that anything is going to be possible in this area, and it is all going to take a long time to recover over a longer time frame. So this is what I'm saying. If we look at Bitcoin, so what can we expect from Bitcoin? We can expect it to, firstly, nothing changes. सबसे पहले higher time frame view पे candle closes पे we need to wait, we need to be patient for Bitcoin to find its bottom. Once it finds its bottom, और यहाँ पे मैंने mark किया, this is the new range from this low to this high. Okay, I got rugged by my phone, so we're back. Yeah, I was saying that anything can happen in this range. So first we need to see and wait. Patience, ये वो एरिया जहां पे आपकी पेशेंस टेस्ट की जा रही है. So be patient and let Bitcoin find its bottom in this range. और उसके बाद we're gonna move sideways. We're gonna chop around sideways. We can do any sort of thing, okay, by maybe mid-February, March, जिसके बाद we're gonna go into the next leg. And this is what we were expecting. We were expecting this to chop around by January, and it might very well be still possible, might very well still, grind its way higher, do some sort of fuckery, and then move up. So we're gonna wait and see. As far as, is this the top? No, this is not the top. This is the local peak. मैंने आपको बताया था, मैं 2 दिन पहले 3 दिन पहले यहां पे मैंने कह दिया था कि this is the local peak, but this is not the cycle top. So wait and don't do anything stupid. Just get rid of your altcoins, for God's sake. They're never gonna go up again. Go to the YouTube and मेरी कल वाली वीडियो देखो. I have in this explained to you that why your altcoins will never make new highs ever again. This is the Bitcoin show. Alrighty? So we have covered that. Yup. So a little more time to see क्या remarks होते हैं about the TGS pen down. We will get to know in upcoming days. And then here is a post from Steve Donze. US dollar index, US dollar too strong before Trump's inauguration and after Trump's inauguration. ये previous election की बात है, जब when Trump was elected previously. So after Trump was inaugurated, then dollar moved down. But the thing is, always keep this in your mind that nothing moves down in a linear fashion. Nothing. So even if dollar moved down, it went down, went up, then went down, went up, made lower highs and lower lows. Do you understand? So do not like expect any and this is not even like it doesn't even matter. Okay, even if dollar continues to rise, it doesn't matter. This is based on American exceptionalism. अगेन एंड अगेन मैं एक महीने से ये बात कह रहा हूं, मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को कोई एक डेढ़ महीने पहले कह दिया था कि डॉलर का कोरिलेशन विद क्रिप्टो करेंसी इज नो लॉन्गर वैलिड, सो वी आर गोना गेट रिड ऑफ इट. Let's move into other data to see what do we have. First, I'm gonna look at funding and I'm gonna look at liquidations. So with this, I'm concerned with dollars and I'm concerned with longs only. And let's see what do we have. Alrighty. So liquidations, as you can see, a lot of liquidations taken out, not even as long as this week. This is this, okay. And ओके, वॉल्यूम वाइज अगर हम देखें कि लास्ट टाइम हमें इतने वॉल्यूम की लिक्विडेशंस कब मिली थी, तो इट गोज अराउंड हियर विच इज द बॉटम एंड हियर विच इज this is FTX crash, and then, well, this is the peak. So I would say nothing जो कि हम यहाँ से ड्राइव कर सके. बाकी फंडिंग इज वेरी लो विच इज healthy market environment. So this is not like liquidation driven prices down. This is all TradFi selling. So this is all spot selling. And this is probably because of big players जिनको ये पता चला कि TGA rundown is maybe extended for a few months. They have gotten out, but Bitcoin should bottom anywhere around here and move sideways. So what else do we have? ETF inflows. Do we want to see that? So yesterday $60 million के outflows थे Ethereum में and about Bitcoin. Let's see. We had $671 million of outflows yesterday. So yesterday were heavy selling, institutional selling थी कल. And we are gonna go into the New York session time zone, और आज वैसे भी फ्राइडे है, so it will be interesting to see if they're gonna sell any more. If the selling continues, let's look at SPX, by the way. So this is SPX, and if selling continues, it can go down here another 3%, maybe. Yep. And this is 3%. And how much did Bitcoin go down? Whoa, a lot. वहां का 3%, यहाँ का 15% है. So is Bitcoin gonna go further down 15%? I don't think so. No. And let's look at M2 मनी सप्लाई के साथ कोरिलेशन, जो कि मैं काफी देर से ये भी कवर कर रहा था. And you can see this, that you can very well expect I mean, this does look, it is playing out. The correlation is playing out. So very concerned, very concerned about this. If this further continues by, I don't know, yeah, it does align with यहाँ पे कहीं अगर TGA run down again restart होता है, तो is Bitcoin gonna go down to this area? Then maybe, well, too much difficult to navigate in, especially according to this. हम सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन अभी के लिए सिर्फ यही फॉर्म कर सकते हैं कि दिस इज नॉट गना फॉलो exactly, and we're gonna stay somewhere around this area. We're gonna let and allow Bitcoin to find its bottom, and don't expect this to find its bottom in straight downwards move like every single day from going now, because it can still chop around. It can chop around, it can then go down, it can do all sorts of things. Do you understand? So we need to just wait and see what happens. with any other information we have. Let's go through that. Yeah, market sentiment is cooled down a lot. Deleveraging sell-off, so people are panicked and they are closing all of their positions. App ranking 9. Many people are exiting क्योंकि of course people are getting liquidated. They have lost their life savings. Percent supply in profit. Still, Bitcoin की almost majority percent in supply is in profit, and all of those जिन्होंने यहाँ पे बिटकॉइन बाय किया था they have round tripped their bags, and जिन्होंने दिसंबर में बाय किया था all of them वो लॉस में है. जस्ट दोज पीपल जिन्होंने इस दिसंबर में बाय किया था. उससे पहले बिटकॉइन की पूरी हिस्ट्री में जितने भी लोग जिन्होंने बिटकॉइन बाय किया था वो प्रॉफिट में है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? जस्ट दिसंबर वालों, तुम लोग लॉस में हो. वी आर नॉट. आई बॉट बिटकॉइन एट 57 and I told everyone to buy Bitcoin, sell their houses and buy Bitcoin. And I told them कि जब वो interested होगे तो we are gonna dump on them. And this is what happened. They bought not even Bitcoin, they bought altcoins here, and they're getting crushed now. Okay, so stablecoin ratio channel, again bands moving away, so gonna take a lot of more time to recover. And pi cycle top indicator nowhere near the absolute peak, so valuation of my system, my market valuation system, is still around 1.7 sigma, 1.7 standard deviation. And market probably तब तक नहीं over जब तक 2.5 standard deviation hit नहीं होती. Okay, so this is also cooling off. A lot of indicators are cooling off because prices बहुत नीचे चलेगी, and if not on Bitcoin but on altcoins, and there are a lot of longs building up on Bitcoin as well. This is the liquidation heat maps. Let's look at CoinGlass one. Yep, lot of liquidations. So there are still some liquidations below the current price. देखते हैं कि how far does they go. Around 90k, so 90k not very far away, by the way. Then I want to look at, oh actually I wanted to look at symbol, not just one exchange. Load up. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. 1 week. Why is it so slow? Okay, yeah, so 89, 88. Let's go to 1 month. Yeah, Ethereum has taken out all of its liquidations. Let's look at a little higher time frame view. Okay, yeah, so Ethereum has absolutely taken out all of the liquidations. So you can expect, I want to see if there are any more below the current price. Okay, Bitcoin Pay, there are still a lot of liquidations at 89, 62, and then 71. So there are a lot of liquidations. So we should be concerned that it can most certainly move down. Not impossible. Not at all impossible. I want to look at Solana as well, because Solana is fucked. Then do we have anything here? Come on, load up. Okay, so yeah, there are still liquidations at around 29.38. So you can expect Ethereum to potentially move down to 29. Where is it? 29 here. Here is still possible. Still possible अगर ये उन liquidations को भी hunt करने जाए. So now, what about Solana? A lot of shorts on Solana, and Solana has, oh my god, still a lot of liquidations. 150 तक a lot of liquidations. So Solana can move down to 150. और ये मैंने कल बताया था कि Solana is done. It is gonna be the biggest loser of this upcoming cycle क्योंकि Solana का best move has been behind us. It went 20x from its bottom. 20x. Yeah. So no, Solana is not gonna go to like 10x from here. Absolutely not. It can at most go to 640, 750, 1000, whatever. Lekin yes, it is going to take a lot more time for Solana to recover because it has beaten down so bad. So it can do anything. No, not this. I mean, if it bottoms here, then retest, then start to move up. Just expect everything to move sideways for another few months. And this is what you get. अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी बात सुनी होती, जो भी मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर रहा है, and if you don't know my Instagram username, I'm writing it on screen right now. Here we go. So this is my Instagram username. Follow me on Instagram. वहाँ पे I post a lot of interesting stuff. A lot. So अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी बात सुनी होती तो you would have been able to get Solana at 130 and Bitcoin at 57 and you would still be in massive profits और आपको ये emotions feel ना हो रहे होते जो अभी हो रहे हैं. But past is past. Mistake से learn करना चाहिए. I was rewarded this move because I stayed around for every single day through this job. For 8 months, मैं इस job के between था. I was waiting for this. I was developing my systems, doing my studies, focusing on my systems and everything. And this is why I was rewarded this. So, join the masterclass and focus on your studies. Develop your own systems ताकि आप moving onwards best possible decisions ले सको. आपको खुद पता हो कि आपने क्या करना है and you are rewarded the next leg up when we get it. Do you understand? So, in areas में when everyone is fearful, the best possible thing is to work hard. Work hard. Luck reward नहीं करती. Easy method से financial market में पैसे नहीं बनाए जाते. I'm telling you, I have been telling you again and again. Okay, choppiness index. Again, I covered this here. It has indicated that the trend is completely exhausted. Open interest moving down as people are getting wiped, and funding we have already covered. It is almost down to zero, and we have negative funding on Bitcoin, by the way. So yeah, again guys, join the masterclass for God's sake. आपने ये chance miss किया था, don't now miss the next chance. This is like people, they get out of crypto when the prices start to move down, but that is the time to get in crypto, not when the prices are moving up. जब prices up जा रही होती हैं, and now all of a sudden everyone is interested in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and all, then we start to sell, we start to dump, we start to take the profits down. When the prices are going, when everyone is fearful and everything is choppy, that is the time when you get in the market, you learn things, develop your own systems ताकि आपको next opportunity मिले. So yeah, that is my best advice to you, and I'm gonna be there to guide you every step of the way. That is gonna be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.